kitchen reveal, kitchen makeover, kitchen update, kitchen reno, whatever you want to call it. That is what this video is going to be all about today. I'm so excited to show you guys this. So, I know you want to see it, that's why I clicked on the thumbnail. So keep on watching. Hey, and welcome back to my channel. It's Ashley here, and if you are new, hey girl, hey. Make sure you click on that subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll always be up to date with my latest tutorials. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this video. Why? Because it is my kitchen reveal. So excited to show you guys this. It is rental friendly, so if you are renting, this is gonna be a perfect makeover for you to look at. Literally cost me under $100. And I, like, for real, because I literally added in some of the DIYs that I did, some of the items that I bought from the thrift store, so I'm like well under $100 for this whole entire makeover. So that is a plus. So all the DIYs that I've done throughout this whole entire process will be linked down below, so make sure you check out that description box so you can see all the various DIYs if you're interested in any of them. I don't have anything else to say, so let's get into the video. Here's the before kitchen. So there are dark cabinets, silver hardware. There was no backsplash, but that is the faux brick backsplash that I made, and I'll have that DIY link down below if you want to check it out. I'm also going to be doing that faux shiplap look onto these walls, and I will have that DIY link down below as well because I've already done that to the extended part of this kitchen. So basically for this video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I added the contact paper, changed out the hardware, and opened up that top above the microwave and planked it with wood and decorating. I got this contact paper from Target and it was $4.99, and I got 2 rolls, and it's honestly cheaper than buying them off of Amazon, so I'll have it linked down below. The first thing that you're going to do is you're just going to remove all of your cabinet doors, and then you're going to remove all of the hardware, and you're also going to wipe down your each door, you know, just removing any grease or dirt that you might have. I don't have footage of me doing that, but you're going to want to do that before you start to apply your contact paper. Okay, so what you're going to do after you have it cut out is you're just going to make sure that it is going to line up with your edges, and that is actually going to fold over those edges. Now, if it doesn't fold over the edges, you can always just take a piece of the contact paper and cut a strip and add that strip to the side. All right, so now you're going to start to peel the backing off. You're not going to peel the whole thing off. You're just going to peel off just like section by section is how you're going to work. And you're going to lay that first piece at the very top of your cabinet, and then you're going to use your credit card. I'm using this picture frame. You can use just anything like a squeegee, and that's going to help you to remove any bubbles that you might have while you're placing this onto your cabinet. Now I'm just going to take my rag, and I'm just going to, it's a wet rag, and I'm just smoothing my contact paper out some more onto my cabinet door. All right, so when you start working on the sides, all you're gonna do is just fold them over. And then when you get to your corners, all you're gonna do is you're going to fold it like you would the end of a present. So you're gonna fold one side in, and then you'll fold the other side over so that it'll be nice and flat. Alright, so now I'm going to remove those cabinet doors that I added back, because instead of just having them white, I decided I wanted an open space at the top of the microwave. So I'm just going to remove the cabinet doors, and I'm going to add the contact paper around the cabinet. So now what I'm going to do is start to cover up any of the brown areas by cutting strips of the white contact paper that I need, using my scissors and my razor blade to cut off what I don't need, and again using that credit card to smooth out my contact paper. I've cut out all the pieces of wood that I need, and now all I'm going to do is start to stain them. Okay, so I've I've taken a piece of poster board that I got from the Dollar Tree and I just added it to my back since I have that plug back there, which is gonna make it hard for me to add my wood. So adding this board makes it easier for me to be able to plank up my wood on the back. So now I'm gonna take my command strips. You guys know I love to use these, and I'm just going to add them to the wood, cut them in half so I'll be able to utilize more of them. And I'm gonna add one piece to the back of the wood, the other piece to the poster board, and I'm gonna start to plank that up onto the back. All right, so now I'm gonna start to add the hardware. I picked these up from Walmart and I will have both of them linked down below. Alright, so here we are. What you all have been waiting for is the end result. So this is how the kitchen looks all put together. I love the contact paper. It's so easy to clean if you get something on it. All you have to do is use a damp cloth and wipe it right off. The hardware from Walmart is amazing. I love the design, love the color. The spice rack is a DIY. I will have that link down below. If you're interested in it, you can put it over your stove or you can put it over your sink. Also, the back wall, that eat sign on the far left is a DIY. I'll have that link below, as well as the wall is a DIY faux shiplap look using tape. So if you're interested in that, it'll be linked down below. But all in all, I love how this kitchen turned out. My favorite part is over the stove with the wood, where you can add any decor, your plates, whatever you want to do. But I'm obsessed. I love the kitchen. Yes. If you guys do too, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you comment down below to let me know what you think, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.